In the fleet section, you can track the vessels and ship owner manager fleets of your interest. You start by creating a fleet. Let's say you're interested in the vessels of Columbia Ship Management. Simply create a fleet for this company, and now you can use the import function to import the vessels managed by this company from MagicPort database into your fleet. Type in the name of the company, select, and click import. This will bring all the vessels managed by Columbia Ship Management Company into your fleet. From this point forward, you can see where their vessels are going and at what time. You can filter them by various criteria if you need. Let's say you would like to see if any vessel of this company is currently calling to Singapore port. Yes, looks like 3 vessels of Columbia Ship Management is currently going to Singapore. You can of course view their vessels on the map if you wish, but most importantly, you can create an alert to be notified whenever any vessel managed by this company calls to your port of interest or comes within certain distance of your port of interest. We'll take a look at the alerts in a moment. But first, let's look at another way of bulk importing the vessels into your fleet. And this is from an Excel file. So if you have a list of vessels of your interest, this could be your past serviced vessels, vessels of your customers. As long as there's an IMO number of that vessel, you can import them from an Excel file into your fleet. Let's create a fleet for that. Let's say my past serviced vessels, for example. Once you create the fleet, you use the same import function, but this time select the Excel, select the document, and click import. This will pull the IMO numbers from the Excel file and bring all the information associated with that IMO from MagicPort database into your fleet. You can immediately see the management information, where the vessel is going, and at what time. Now you can create an alert for this fleet as well. In fact, let's create one. Click. First, you name the alert. Let's say my vessels of interest calling to Singapore, for example. You select the alert type. Let's start with scheduled arrivals. This is the same scheduled arrivals that you were searching. You specify the time frame, let's say 100 days. You select your ports, or you can also select the country. Let's select the port this time. Basically, you define the frequency of the alert. Let's say every day at 9 o'clock your local time, and click save. From this point forward, we'll do a search in the background, and whenever any vessel in this fleet calls to Singapore, you will get an email notification. Another type of alert is called arrived. This one notifies you whenever the vessel in the fleet comes within certain distance of your port of interest. You need to define the distance, let's say 100 nautical miles of port, or in fact any port, let's say in Greece. Again, you fill out the form, you named your alert, and from this point forward, you will be receiving an email alerts whenever any vessel in this fleet comes within certain specified distance of the ports of interest. All your alerts are in the alerts section. You can view them here. They are separated by their types. You can see all of them in here. And please notice that you don't have to wait for an email notification to view the alerts. You can simply come and click on the name of the alert, which will bring you the vessels that fit the criteria that you've specified. The green labeled vessels are the ones that are new. That is the ones that you haven't viewed yet.